Hello everyone, introducing, my name is Fitri Linda Kusuma. I am from the Early Childhood Education Study Program. I will make a storytelling video as an assessment for the Early Childhood English Language Development course with the lecturer Mr. Muhammad Naufal Fairuzillah. Let's watch this video until the end to find out the storyline. Come on! The Fox and the Stork. Once upon a time, there was a fox and a stork who lived in a jungle. The two animals were neighbors. The cunning fox one day thought of a devious plan to amuse himself at the expense of this good-natured stork. It was at appearance he was always laughing. "You must come and have dinner with me today," the fox said to the stork one day, smiling to himself at the trick he was going to play on the poor stork. The stork happily accepted the invitation and arrived in a good time for dinner and with a very good appetite. The fox served soup for dinner but in a very shallow dish. The stork could not drink it but was only able to with the very tip of his bayonet. On the other hand, the fox drank it up easily and to increase the disappointment of his neighbor, made a great show of enjoyment. The poor and hungry stork was much displeased at the fox's trick, but he was calm and saw no good in flying into a rage. Not long afterwards, the stork invited the fox to have a dinner with him at his house. The fox arrived promptly at the stork's house at the decided time. The stork served a fish dinner with a very appetizing aroma. But this time, the stork served in a tall jar with quite a narrow neck. The stork could get at the food easily with his long beak, but the fox could not. All the fox could do was sniff at the delicious aroma. The fox lost his temper, but the stork said calmly, "One should not play tricks on their neighbors unless they can stand the same treatment themselves." Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you next time. Bye bye.